Nature must have wanted to turn it into a winter wonderland too, because...
Where was that? Petco?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, slow down, Matt.
Maybe this wasn't the best way to drive today.
Ayo!
Right. Everybody, so first time we have picked up the camera since Christmas. How was your Christmas? What did you guys do? I was not gonna pick it up today because I've been doing after Christmas cleanup and decorating for the winter, taking down all of our Christmas decorations and turning it into like a winter wonderland in our house. And Mother Nature must have wanted to turn it into a winter wonderland too, because look at this. Look at that. It is snowing. So it started snowing like 2 hours ago?
Not even.
Not even, maybe about an hour and a half ago. And look at this. Look at how much snow there is, you guys. It's still snowing. We were just supposed to get a light dusting. So, and we're looking at what, blizzard conditions?
Well, I think it's still up in the air yet.
For Tuesday.
But potentially Tuesday night into Thursday, I think we could get hit with blizzard-like conditions, but...
So, yeah, this is just a regular snowfall. Isn't it pretty, though? So, Mother Nature and I must have been on the same page. What do you think, baby?
Yeah, and I asked her, she wasn't going to vlog, and then I asked her, I said, are you vlogging our Christmas dinner? Because we're actually doing our big dinner tonight.
Yeah.
We put it off this long.
Yeah, we were all kind of lazy on Christmas, huh? We just wanted to relax and not do much and just hang out as a family. And now we're doing our big Christmas dinner.
Yeah.
Just in time for almost the New Year holiday. Well, no. New Year's is about,
and I still got a couple more days of work off.
Yeah, that's so nice.
2 days of work off, then I'll go work 2 days, then I'll be off for 3 more.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, we thought we would bring you along for some winter wonderland. Isn't that pretty, you guys?
Iowa winter here.
Yes.
All the hills and the snow.
This is the kind of winter I remember from when I was a kid. And we haven't had this for a while.
No, not a lot, you know, where the streets are covered quite a bit.
And it's not like super icy, it's just really a nice winter snow. We did have a little bit of rain, but it didn't really stick into ice.
No.
I was gonna take down the Christmas lights today. I took down like our blow-ups and our gingerbread, or our toy soldiers. And I did not get to the lights, so I don't know, they might be up till spring. We'll see.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own desire.
Okay, we made it to our first stop, and I am headed into Michael's. I have to go pick something up there for our January winter wonderland decor. They had a huge sale up there, babe.
Oh, I'm sorry.
For some reason, he can't find Michael's when we come here.
Where was that? Petco?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Yeah.
Anyway, I'm headed in to go grab a couple of things. I'll leave Matt with you. There you go, babe.
I gotta drive, bro.
All right, so we got the groceries picked up. Now we're headed home, and I think we are hunkering down for the night. But I wanted to show you what the snow looks like right now. Isn't that pretty, you guys?
I think we're hunkering down more for like the week, honestly.
Yeah, except for I need a new mop. Mine broke.
Yeah. One trip. I think that's all we got planned this week.
And then we're done. We're home for the week. That'll be so nice.
We definitely don't go anywhere on New Year's Eve.
No. Oh, slow down, Matt.
Maybe this wasn't the best way to drive today. Maybe.
You know what we haven't watched yet?
What?
Soul. Told the kids we would watch it.
Yes, it looks so good.
Why he's going this way though is beyond me.
Does he have to go to Grandma's direction?
Oh, I don't know if he is gonna make that. What do you
I
think?
don't know if he's gonna get traction to get out of here.
Well, that's what I was just wondering. Oh, he got it. Go get it, dude. Get it, get it, get it. Nope.
That's why, because he came out of McGrath, so that's the only way to go.
Ooh.
Otherwise he has to go all the way up JFK.
I'm thinking he might have done this a time or two before.
Yeah. Nobody's drove down here in a while.
Oh yeah.
I sure salted this. It is still snowing. Yep, this is where I used to park, pick up the basketball team right over there. Yep. I go down in here to get the football team. And the soccer team.
All the teams.
Nope, basketball gets over there.
You came to the same area.
Yep. Right straight down the street.
Okay,
Look
guys.
at that.
Is that good?
I love it. I'm in love with the shape of it.
You're okay, Ed Sheeran.
Hey, is there any cranberries?
There is.
Can somebody get me some?
Yes, we will.
What's this stuff?
Okay, so this is dinner tonight. Ham, mashed potatoes and gravy, corn, stuffing, biscuits, and cranberries
Who
down
needs
there.
food? Who needs food? Eat air.
All right, you guys, so we're home. It's done snowing, but I wanted to show you. I told you I was turning the house into a winter wonderland. I'll show you guys some more of this when I get it all finished, but yeah, isn't that pretty? I found this tablecloth at Michael's today, and it was part of their clearance sale, so yeah, I am totally turning the house into a winter wonderland, but I'm not taking my Christmas tree down. We took all the ornaments off, but we're leaving the tree up because it's so pretty. It just looks like a snowy tree now, so we'll probably leave it up through the end of January. So I'm kind of excited to show you some of the stuff that I'm doing in the house now that I've cleared out Christmas stuff, and I'm turning it into this, like, well, like I said, winter wonderland. So when it's all done, I'm really excited to show it to you. And I'm making a bucket of snowballs. So I'll probably vlog the day that I'm doing that so I can show you guys what I'm doing, because I think it's gonna be really fun. I gotta show you this corner. I cannot wait. I have to show you. It's so cute. It's like my little woodland area. So this is my hallway where I had my little golden angel and stuff. And look at, isn't that just adorable? I love how that turned out. I think it's so pretty. And I got these tissues from Grove when I got my Grove order, but they kind of fit in there. And the reason I have them there is this tree is like kind of wonky with how it stands. So I had to put it in that exact spot. And no matter how I moved all this other stuff, it just wasn't balanced out. But the box of tissues just kind of balances everything and it matches. So isn't that pretty? So I can't wait to show you guys some of this stuff in the daylight when I get it all done.